Quick Learn, an innovation by Team Try Meca. Learn smarter. We take your notes. Hello, students. Welcome to our AI powered note taking tool, which captures, organizes, and enhances your learning effortlessly. So, let's try a free demo. For free demo, click here and record your lecture. Pakistan, located in South Asia, is the world's fifth most populous country with a rich history and diverse culture. Established in 1947, it is the only Muslim majority nation created in the name of Islam. Pakistan boasts a strategic geopolitical position, sharing borders with India, China, Afghanistan, and Iran. It has a mixed economy driven by agriculture, industry, and services, with a growing focus on technology and innovation. Home to breathtaking landscapes including the Himalayas and the Indus Valley. Pakistan is also a nuclear power and plays a key role in regional and global affairs. So you have recorded your lecture, and for to generate summary, just click the generate summary icon. While it's uh, generating processing your lecture summary, if you want to re-listen your recorded audio, just click here. Pakistan, located in South Asia, is the world's fifth most populous country with a rich history and diverse culture. Established in 1947, it is the only Muslim majority nation created in the name of Islam. Pakistan boasts a strategic geopolitical. Okay, students, so you can re-listen the audio which you have recorded. So it provided our lecture summary. Here is the lecture summary. So this is all from us. Thank you.